Hello friends, this is John Hansmeyer. Welcome to Food and Flicks. Today I am going to be reviewing for you guys today a triple treat. I'm going to be reviewing for you guys Butterfinger ice cream, Butterfinger unwrapped minis, and Butterfinger bar. I'm greatly apologize for not been doing so long for a review. Oh, here's also now the fourth treat, my cat Reuben. Hi Reuben. You want some ice cream too? Want some ice cream too? I love cats. Who doesn't love cats, right? So this is the review right now of Butterfinger Nature's Touch family owned Butterfinger and his premium ice cream, vanilla flavor ice cream with Butterfinger candy pieces. This is from Kwik. It is a Midwestern gas station based in Wisconsin. And there's a ton of locations, especially in upper north Minnesota. So I wanted to make sure it's extra fancy. So this is what it looks like here. Remember, a serving is just a suggestion. Look at that right there. That's funny. I hope this isn't freezer burnt. I am the worst procrastinator when it comes to doing reviews. Ooh, still nice and soft. It tastes very similar to a Butterfinger. It tastes very similar to a what's it called? Blizzard from Dairy Queen. First thing I can describe it as is very fluffy. It has an ice cream flavor to it. Nice ratio of Butterfinger. First thing I taste is the Butterfinger. It's not like some crappy ice cream where it's just like, where the heck is the Butterfinger? Nice ratio of topping with cream. And yeah, it's delicious. There's that viral video where it shows this guy doing a taste test. He's like, right here, you got a spoon, and you put it in the tip of your mouth so you can get all the senses. Get that flavor, the cream, the aroma, the flavor. That's a 10. If you know, you know. Yeah. All right. You're probably asking yourself, John, what the heck is there a difference between Butterfinger unwrapped minis and a regular Butterfinger bar? You never know. And I was going a little hog wild one night at Kwik, so I thought I'd try it out. Reuben. Alright, so this is the review of the unwrapped minis from Butterfinger. The biggest difference I can taste between the minis and the bars, these minis seem to have more of a peanutty taste. But yeah, I'd say probably a 5 out of 10. It's just okay. But I miss the original recipe of Butterfinger. They changed the recipe about 10 years ago or whatever. I mean, it used to have more of like a really buttery taste. You could barely taste the peanuts. Then they changed on the recipe. Now it's more of a peanutty taste, and I really miss the old flavor a lot. Kind of like turning Coca-Cola Classic to New Coke and never coming back to the Classic. It's just kind of a bummer, really. And now, your classic Butterfinger. I'm really surprised because I didn't think there'd be much of a taste difference between the minis and the bar, but I'd say the bar tastes a lot better because it still has that buttery taste and then the peanutty taste. But this one's a peanutty taste and then the buttery taste. But it's the classic. I give it a classic. 8 out of 10. The only reason I knock it up 2 stars is I miss the original taste. But overall, I give this one a 5 out of 10, an 8 out of 10, and an 8 out of 10. So that's my review for Food and Flicks. Hope you guys have a good night and God bless. Bye.